YouTube, welcome back to another video. And in this video, after the last disappointing video when I found out that Windows ME was not Windows 2000, I downloaded Windows 2000 from the Internet Archive. I don't know what the difference is between Windows ME and Windows 2000. I haven't done no research yet. I'm going to do a bit of research after I've installed Windows 2000 onto this laptop. Apparently it's newer than Windows ME. I don't know, I thought the Millennium was 2000. That's really mind-boggling as why it's called Millennium, and then we have Windows 2000. So we're going to do an upgrade, and hopefully, since I installed the sound driver, we'll have some sound. So let's press I agree. There we go. Okay, we are now installing Windows 2000. Sorry, I paused the video and then forgot to press record. It didn't miss much. It just asked me if I wanted to check the compatibility website, and asked me if I had any upgrade packs, and it also asked me if I wanted to upgrade my drive to NTFS. So I pressed yes on that and then pressed next, and it went to processing system files. Okay, so you can now complete setup and provide the files listed below, but at least this hardware may not work until you provide the updated file. Okay, is the audio in there? Now press next, press continue. 75 to 90 minutes. Okay, I don't think my video is going to be 75 to 90 minutes. That would be far too long. So I'm just going to click next and see what happens. Okay, so now we are just checking drive C. I don't know how long this will take, so I'll probably speed this up when I edit the video. There we go. Hopefully that's more readable. I can't help this black mark that's here. It's not showing up in to my vision, but it's showing up on the camera. I'm not sure why. Setup is start in Windows 2000. Setup is deleting files, and now setup is copying files. This is how I remember Windows XP. Finally, a different logo. Windows 2000 Professional, built on NT technology. So what was Windows ME then? Okay, so now I think it has finished converting the drive to NTFS. Okay, now we have a blue screen. Finally, we're getting somewhere. Okay, now we are installing devices. Yay, finally! Windows 2000 has been installed. Let's restart. Only if the sound's installed. Applying your personal settings. Do we have any sound? Okay. Windows Windows 2000 Professional. Okay, so let's see if our drivers are still on here. Let's see if this works, and then that will be the end. It's taking a lot longer. Okay, now what do we do? Oh, it says it's installed. Hardware, device manager. Network, sound. Okay, so we need to restart. Okay, so let's restart and see if that works. Yes, finally! We have some sound. Discover Windows. I don't want to see that again. Okay, we can close that. Now we have some sound. Oh, that sounds very nice. Okay, so that's gonna be the end for this video. The next video I will be installing the drivers again, this time on Windows 2000. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and leave a comment below.